Welcome to GooeyTrade and the cTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at basic indicators on the cTrader mobile platform. When you first open the app, you will see the last watch list you viewed. If you tap on any symbol, you will see a mini order ticket and a mini chart. To access a larger, fully functioning chart, tap the Expand button. Click on the function symbol to access an incredible array of indicators. You may search for any indicator by typing here. Let's start with a moving average and select the exponential moving average, or EMA. You will then see it on the chart. To modify its properties, click on the function symbol again and click the three-dot menu icon. From here, you will see all the active indicators on the chart. Start by selecting the period. If we select 8, for example, the indicator will calculate the average price over the last 8 candles to the left. You may increase the line thickness for better view and change the color if you wish. Tap on Back and you will see the results. Now, we may add a second EMA. For now, select a period that is roughly 4 times greater than the first one. Now, try to select a color that is distinguishable from the other moving average using the same line thickness. Now we can see 2 EMAs, and many traders like to use the crossing of these EMAs to predict a change in direction. Now, let's add an oscillator like the stochastic oscillator. After a few, you will note that cTrader Mobile gives you a recently used list. You will note that it is located in a separate window below the main chart. You will note that we are using the daily chart, so, for example, in the case of the 8-period moving average, prices are calculated looking back over the last 8 days or 8 candles. If we switch to the hourly chart, the indicator is then looking back over the last 8 hours to calculate the path of the average price. If you move the chart back in time with your finger, you can see how well an indicator has performed. This is called backtesting. If you want to change any of the active indicators, simply click on its Properties icon and update the parameters. To delete any indicator, simply click on the trash can icon. Another popular indicator is called Bollinger Bands. Don't forget that viewing your charts in horizontal mode might be an advantage to you. In trending markets, traders would like to see price action above or below the 20-period moving average, which is the middle line. In ranging markets, traders watch for price action to intersect and retreat from the upper and lower bands. Also, when the bands narrow, we call this a Bollinger Squeeze, which often predicts a period of high volatility to follow. MACD histogram is another oscillator you may add. When the histogram is above the 0 line, price action is considered to be bullish, and of course bearish when below the 0. Also, when the signal line passes out of the histogram, this often signals a change in direction after a strong move. Another indicator to explore is the Ichimoku cloud, and we will have a separate video on this. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade cTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on cTrader.